Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We're given the two functions, f of x equals x plus square root of 2 minus x, and gu equals u plus square root of 2 minus u. Is it true that f equals g? We'll decide by checking domains and the input-output rule, because variable names can be misleading. To decide whether f equals g, we use the definition, same domain and same outputs for all allowed inputs. The symbol for the input is just a label. We can rename it without changing the function. Let's find where f is defined. The square root is only real when the inside is non-negative. So f accepts any real input up to and including 2. Now we do the same domain check for g. Again, the radicand must be non-negative, so g has the same domain. All real numbers less than or equal to 2. Next, we compare what the functions do to an allowed input. These rules have the same structure, only the placeholder letter differs. We are not changing the function, just relabeling the input variable from u to x. Now it's clear. For every input in the shared domain, both functions give exactly the same output. That meets both requirements for function equality. Key point 1, the domains match. Key point 2, changing u to x is only relabeling the input, not changing the function. Therefore, f and g are the same function. Keep going. There's another satisfying idea coming up that will make these function definitions feel even more natural and powerful.